Hello everyone, this is Mark Rodrum from TurboQuale Developer Network, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add other forms in your application and how to make them appear after a user clicks or holds down a button. I'll also be showing in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do many other events with many different controls, such as create a message box when the user hovers over a button, or change a label text when the user clicks a button. It's pretty straightforward, but in this tutorial we'll be creating new forms and I'll be showing you how to show them when the user clicks a button. So to get started, all we're going to need in this tutorial is a button, just a simple plain old button. So I'm going to go over to my toolbox and I'm going to drag a button onto the form. I'm not going to bother renaming it as that consumes time. I'm just going to double click onto the button and I'm going to write form2.show. And you're probably thinking, what does this mean? Well, I'll explain that in a minute. Okay. When you've typed out that, you want to go to Project, Add Windows Form, and a box should appear. And you won't have any of this. I've installed third-party software, but you want to select the Windows Form, and you want to name it whatever you name it. And I've called mine Form 2. Form 2, and I'm going to select it and click Add. When your form has successfully been added, you should see your name of your form over here, and it should have a .vb at the end, and you should have your Form 1 and your Form 2. And now I'm going to explain the Solution Explorer better. If I click on my Form 1, I get my designer for my Form 1. But if I click on my Form 2, I get my Form 2 designer. So it's kind of like pretty easy to switch between designers. Or you can use the tab menu up here. I'm going to go to my Form 1.design and double click my button. And as you can see, I typed in the name of my form and I put .show. And that .show is basically going to show it to the user. So if I debug and compile, build, whatever you call it, when I click my button, I should get my Form 2. Okay, so I'm going to click and my Form 2 will appear. I can do this as many times as I like, and you can also add buttons and designer to your Form 2. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time. TurboQuale Developer Network.